Alright, we're replacing spark plug replacement on a 2012 Honda Accord, a 2.4 liter Denso spark plug. We're using as a SXU 22HCR11S Iridium spark plug. So the gap is 0.039 to 0.043, and torque for the spark plug installation is 13 foot-pounds. Plug should come out of the box probably properly gapped, but we just want to check it. Looks like it's right at 0.040, so we're okay. I already checked the other ones. So you can tap on a hard surface if you want to adjust the gap down. This gapper has a little hole in it. You can open it like this, which I'm not going to do because it's good. But go ahead and maybe practice. If you haven't done it before, go ahead and pull out one or two of your old spark plugs and practice on those. You know, smash it down a little bit and then practice opening it up so you get a feel for how to do it. So, I'm going to install these spark plugs now. It's like 4 10mm bolts. Take the cover off. Four 10mm bolts for the coils. So I'm going to lift right back here. And I'm also going to push on that little tab then to release it. That's how I'm doing it. And that's what's going on. Take the rest of these off. I'm just going to do one. All the rest are the same, of course. So, because you got things to do, I'm sure. Ignition coil. We'll put a little what's called dielectric grease in the end there that can just help prevent. It's a moisture preventive compound, I believe, and then also really I think it helps keep the coil or spark plug, if you're doing that on another vehicle, keeps it from sticking, makes it easier to remove and install coils and spark plug wires. So using a 5/8 spark plug socket, deep well type, but you can use a regular one. Spark plug socket has got a nice little piece of rubber in there that holds the spark plug in place. All bolts, all nuts, everything is left to loosen, right to tighten. New spark plug sits in there nice. Once the spark plug hits bottom, it's usually for this type, no gasket. For me, it felt like about 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. Sometimes the boxes will have basic instructions on them. So, but we torqued it down to 13 foot-pounds. Got our goop on here. I'm sure those little 10mm bolts are probably like 89 inch-pounds or something, so just snug it down. Do the other 3, put your lid back on. Don't forget to plug in all your coils, and you'll be good to go. Fairly easy to replace your spark plugs in this Honda 2007 Honda Accord. If you pop your hood and it looks like this, I'm sure this video will work for you. Good luck to you.